All right, today we're doing a hike. We're doing the Ahuimanu Falls trails. Yep. Yeah, so we're doing that trail. All right. So let's go and check it out. Yep, let's go and check it out. Look at this. So it's like this is the entrance. All right. So yeah, we're following the All Trails app, and like you guys can see, it's through this way. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this view. We can see some water here. Very nice, right? And this is the trail right here. So nice. Look at this. Oh my God. It's a challenge to get here, right? Oh, this slippery. Ooh, be careful, almost fell. Almost fell there. Yep, be careful there. And we're going this way. This is getting like a fun. Look at this. This is kind of like a small stair here. Be careful. You guys there? Check this out. I'll leave there some history here, right? But I have to pull the fucking map here because I don't know. Well, it seems like it's this way now. Oof. It's getting rough. Look at this. This is getting crazy. Why? You see a trail down there? You see like a trail there? I'm not sure. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Yeah, it's that way. It's this way. Yeah, following the old trails is this way. Damn, it's muddy. Woof! Be careful. Be careful. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! It's very muddy. Damn. Should we go to this? Oh my God. Alright, just go for it. Just go for it, right? Just go for it. Don't. Oh shit! I hit myself. You good? Damn! Look at this. It's very cool. Look at this. Don't fail. Don't fail. All right. Let's keep going this way. I think I never said, but this is like a 1.3 miles all the way to the falls. So, yep. So we're on the way there. Damn! Look at this. It's a 1.3. Yeah, we're on the right track. We're not even halfway. That's fine. That's fine. Holy shit. Are we on the right track? Wow. So we have to go that way. That's the track. And we're here stuck. Really? Well, we got to go over this thing. You ready? Oh shit. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm okay. Oof. Yep. Just the wood sweeps. Be careful there. So we came through there and now we have to jump through there so we can keep going on this direction. Whew. It's a challenge, but it's good. You good? So suggest you to even sit down and then just easier, you know. Why they got into, right? Yes. Crazy. Mosquitoes? Yeah, I'm feeling some mosquitoes too. Alright guys, so it seems like we are starting to hear probably the waterfall. So we're getting there. We're getting there. So yep, and we came from there and we are here. And we have to keep going that way, alright? Look at this beauty. Alright, and we're going over there. Alright. What's going on, guys? All right, so let's check this out. This is like some type of concrete, like an old concrete, and yeah, interesting, right? Interesting. And we have to keep going this way. If we follow the app of all trails, will tell us to go this way. And again, we're not that far at all, so just keep going this way. All right, so it seems like we have to go across this thing and go that way. Again, we're not far, but yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right. All right, we're here. I fell over there very bad. Did not record it, thank God. Well, I don't know. It might be a good thing to record things like that. We might go viral. Right, but yeah, I fell on recording it, and I fell bad into the water. So it seems like we cannot go that way, and it might be this way. Seems like the path kind of like seems like it's that way, but it's kind of hard to get there. There, yeah, and she just said that yeah, over there it might be the right way. So she might saw yeah, like some type of mark or something. So seems like we're in the right track, I guess. Yep. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Damn. Look at this. This is getting crazy. It's way better down over there, let me tell you. It's way better down over there. Man, this is a hike now. Good hike. Woo! So I'm just pulling the app, and yeah, we're on the right track. So if you guys see this kind of like concrete, is that concrete? Like a big rock, right? So we have to go through this way, right? All right, let's go. We're supposed to be like almost there. So let's go. All right, so make sure we're following this, the pink or orange strings. Make sure we're following them. All right. Yep, this way. There's another one there, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. More pink, like you guys can see. So we're on the right track. It's a challenge, but we're getting there. All right. Seems like we're very close, but the thing is, like, I don't hear any waterfall. I don't hear the water or nothing. Let's keep going. All right, so we made it to the end of the green mark on all trails, and we don't see any, like you guys can see there, we don't see any waterfall, but we are guessing like whenever it rains, right? Should be like some type of waterfall there. So we made it, but yeah, pretty sad. No water. We're just gonna turn back. All right. All right. Let's go back. All right, so we're done with the hike. It was something else. We got lost a couple times. It was pretty cool, right? Yeah. So yeah. So I hope you liked the video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time.